Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mazda 6 car battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any potential battery acid. These simple precautions will make the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's disconnect the old battery. You'll typically find it under the hood, often on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal first, then remove the cable. Next, repeat this step for the positive terminal. Don't forget to unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This ensures the battery is completely free before removal. With the old battery disconnected, it's time to remove it. Carefully lift out the old battery. Be aware it can weigh around 35 pounds, so lift with your legs. Before placing the new one, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly with a wire brush for optimal contact. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and flush. Finally, secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. To complete the installation, reconnect the new battery. Always connect the positive terminal first, tightening it securely with your 10mm wrench. Then, attach the negative terminal, ensuring both connections are snug and firm. For added protection and longevity, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Lastly, start your engine to confirm the new battery is working correctly and your vehicle is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.